Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert a hyperlink into images and photos on Affinity Designer. So let us get started. Head over to your document on Affinity and use the Move tool here in the top left. You may also use the shortcut V for that to select your image. Next, right click into the image, and at the very bottom of that menu you will see this option Interactive. Choose it. Click into Insert Hyperlink here. And then guys, what you want to do is go through these hyperlink properties. So you may, for example, choose a type like an external page URL, or internal page, sorry, an URL, a file, email, anchor, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to add an external URL, switch to URL here, or if you'd like to link internally to a page, select page. I'm going to use an external URL for the sake of this tutorial. And then guys, what you want to do is click into that URL field here, remove the default one, and then enter the given URL here. Like I will go with google.com for the sake of this tutorial. Click into OK, and now the hyperlink has been added to that image. So if I navigate to interactive, you will see, as you can see here, these three options: edit hyperlink, delete hyperlink, or there's also the option to go to the hyperlink target. So you can do that as well. So let me delete it, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.